It's your girl Clarissa Rankin, and we're in Germany. Now today we are with Daimler Trucks, also with Mercedes-Benz, and we're going to check out how the trucks are made and watch how every 3 minutes a truck gonna come off the assembly line. So we're gonna have so much content for you guys down here in Germany. We're having a great time. We just ate breakfast. Now let's go check out how these trucks are created. Say it loud, say it proud. It's trucker's life, baby. Are you ready? On our way to Daimler Trucks to see these trucks come off this assembly line and go to the plant. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting.
You excited, baby?
Yes, I'm very excited. I am very excited. Ready to see everything and very excited. I'm ready to drive. I still, my hands are like twitching. This is so exciting. Look, this is the electric truck, and I get to drive one. So, look, check this out. This is nice. Look, no mirror. The mirror is on the inside of the truck. Girl, I can't wait to get up in here tomorrow. This the plug, Joey. Get the plug. Get the plug. So nice. Walk around. It's not quite as big as what I drive, so the competition should be no problem at all. It really shouldn't be that bad. But this is nice. I can't wait. Truckers like that. You just look at this. 1886. That's crazy. You see it? Look, check this out. It's lighting up. Look, watch this. Oh my God. Can we open it? Hey, Stop on this baby. Oh, you can scratch your stuff on here. Gas out, fifth wheel, okay. They don't have a hand. Oh, there go the handle. So the handle's on this side. Oh, look at this. So in the US, we pull the fifth wheel handle on the other side. This side is right. Look at this big catwalk. The catwalk on a Freightliner Cascadia is about that big around, about 2 feet wide. Got caps, tab light, oil cap. Gas cap. I done said oil. Cameras for the mirror. Oh goodness. I like this lighting up part. Watch this, watch this. It's light. It's chocolate light. Oh my God. This sucker nice. Alright, look at the CB. So smooth. Boy, you're not gonna be able to tell me a doggone thing. Okay? See, look here. Look at this. Start, push button, start. Look at the CB. Shut up. That is crazy.
As the largest truck factory in the world.
Yeah.
We produce approximately 400 heavy trucks a day in 2 shifts. So we have an early shift and we have a late shift. We produce 400 heavy trucks per day.
Okay, I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to see it. Are you ready? You ready? I'm ready. Oh my goodness, you guys. We just watched how these trucks get made from the beginning to the end. Big to small. Putting the axles on, putting the brakes, the exhaust, you name it, we seen it. All here in Germany. Now look, Mercedes-Benz got some great talent in here to be able to put these things together. I don't think I learned, I think I mastered it. The only thing you need is a cubby and a piece of metal, right? I don't know, but we'll make it work. I think we'll make it work if I was putting together some trucks. But look, this is the finishing product. Hey everyone, it's your girl Clarissa Rankin. Now look, we done seen how these trucks are made from the beginning to the end. We over here at Mercedes-Benz in Germany. But this is the thing, secret thing you need to know. We gotta learn how to drive this sucker. All right, so we know how they built. We seen the frames, we seen the pipes, the hose, the engine, the exhaust, and all that good stuff. We gotta learn how to drive this sucker because we got a competition we gotta win Saturday, all right? So I hope you're enjoying the fun. I hope you're enjoying Germany just as much as I am. But before we go, say it loud and say it proud. It's Truckers Life, baby. Ha ha!